may budget constraint din tayo. We have the glass finish. Also comes with the door-in-door. Yeah, it looks elegant. Yeah, that's the only difference compared to these two. It doesn't have the Insta-View.
Walang Insta-View.
Glossy lang siya, glossy. Actually, some of the consumers use this. They want a glass finish.
Ako, sir.
Oo, kasi
Feedback.
ginagawa nila, kukuha sila ng marker. So ginagawa lang, lalagay sila to-do list dito. So yung mga, kasi glass siya eh. Glass naman siya. So gusto nila yung gano'n.
Ang ganda nun. Parang kasi halimbawa, nakalimutan ko, bumili na.
Pay electricity.
Reminders. That's quite nice, I think.
I think lagay, note by Farmer Sanchez. Ganun.
Doon, hindi natin pwedeng gawin yan sa Insta-View.
Pwede rin naman, kaya lang po,
Just sa Insta-View.
hindi masyadong readable, unlike here po.
Kasi katutol
Pwede
ka.
yun lagay, ding, ang bato.
Makita natin yung reflection natin dito.
Glass.
Hello.
Ganda eh. Ito naman, Sir Jill, same model but different finish? Or?
Yeah, this is the more classic finish, platinum silver po siya. Also comes with an door-in-door feature.
Ayun.
And Wi-Fi enabled, or yung ThinQ app natin.
Napag-uusapan natin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dito naman tayo.
What is this
over
model,
here.
sir?
And then also a side-by-side ref po, but this time wala na nung door-in-door. So mas basic po siya, but also a side-by-side refrigerator. Actually, during the pandemic po, we saw a transition sa market. The people now are looking for bigger capacity ref kasi nga they spend more time at home. So they
Eating more at home
yes,
as well.
they want to store more, especially pandemic po. They wanted to lessen the exposure outside. Yung requirement for bigger refs tumaas yung demand.
Okay.
And lastly, yung pinaka entry level side-by-side natin. Also side-by-side, pero less feature lang po compared to the other models that we just
Pero
discussed.
malaki din siya. No?
Malaki pa rin siya. 24.3 cubic feet.
Yan. So Jill, paano nagbago isip ko? Ayoko na ng masyadong malaki. Gusto ko tama lang sa pamilya namin.
Oo. Or kaya hindi pa pasok sa budget.
Yeah.
Diba?
In that case, tawid po tayo doon.
Uy!